this, that multiply to change from bigger to smaller, and here from smaller to bigger, that way. So I'm giving some time, and after you learn this, tell me. Okay, when to multiply from big to small, and when to divide from smaller to bigger, that way.
Ma'am, I message Zoha and if what Zoha has tell Zainab ma'am has message tell मैंने हाँ बोला तो वो joint हो गई.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Soha Kadri.
Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Sarmali Aisha.
Very good morning. So yesterday I forgot to show you this, that when to multiply and when to divide. That is shortcut. Yesterday I have told you, but this is shortcut. Like in very small words, it is explained that when to multiply and when to divide. So I'm explaining also, and you just revise also. Try to learn this and this one. So I'm explaining now that you can see it is if you have to convert hours to minute, like 3 hours is written, 3 hours equals to dash minutes. So from hour and minute, which is a smaller unit and which is bigger unit?
Ma'am, hour is
Ma'am,
big.
minute is smaller and hour
Ma'am,
is
ma'am,
bigger.
minute is smaller and hour is bigger.
We have
Yes.
to do multiplication.
This hour is a bigger unit and this minute is smaller. So from bigger unit to smaller, we have to multiply. So here you can see upside it is written, multiply that. So is this much is clear when to multiply?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then here also second is given, this arrow. And this arrow shows that when you have to multiply minute to second, like instead of hour, minute is given, and instead of minute, second is given. Here 3 minute equals to dash seconds. So again here which is bigger unit?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
minutes.
Minute is
Minute.
bigger.
Minutes is
bigger.
bigger.
And second is smaller.
And second is smaller. So again we are converting bigger to smaller means minute to second. So again we have to multiply by 60. So where when to multiply now that they are explaining. Then if you know that when to multiply then it is very easy. So hope this is clear when to multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
So even in the same way last 11 chapter is centimeter meter that no. So this is also given, you can see kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter in order that which is bigger. Okay, it is given in big to small way. You can see here it is written.
In fourth standard also it is all units.
So big to small that way it is given. That kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. That way it is given. And Zoha, when 10 minutes are left now in 8:43, 8:35, you tell me. Remind me of that your video that I can show.
Okay, ma'am.
8:35 you tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
So that four are given into big to small way. Then you can see that here the same thing is written when to multiply from bigger to smaller. And here when to divide, so smaller to bigger. And kilometer and meter. From kilometer and meter, which is bigger?
Kilometer is bigger, ma'am. Kilometer.
Yes. So we have to multiply. But here by 1,000 we have to multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
So who will tell me why we have to multiply by 1,000 only?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can
because
I marry?
ma'am, can I
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Okay, I think so. Mehreen is ready, Muskan is ready. Then
Aisha.
Aisha is ready.
ma'am, I don't understand this. Alicia.
Alicia, here it is
Ma'am, I
written
don't
that we have to
understand
convert.
this.
Ma'am, question.
Wait.
Zainab, ma'am.
That, yes, who?
Zainab ma'am.
Inchia, ma'am, I don't understand this.
3 kilometer is given. 3 kilometer is for how many meter?
Ma'am, 3000 meter.
हाँ,
3000 meters.
so
Yes, ma'am.
you are converting now let me speak everyone. So when we are converting kilometer to meter, no, so from kilometer and meter, which is bigger, inch here?
Kilometer.
Kilometer is bigger, means we are converting bigger to smaller, so we have to multiply. Okay, so we have to multiply 3, and that also with 1000. Why with 1000? Because 1 kilometer equals to how many meter?
1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters.
That's why we are taking 1000.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
Then here meter and centimeter, like it is given 4 meter equals to dash centimeter.
Ma'am, answer
Ma'am,
will be
it
400
is
centimeters. Yes, ma'am,
yes,
400
ma'am.
Yes ma'am,
centimeters.
our answer will be 400 centimeters.
So we are converting bigger to smaller, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
multiply.
We have to multiply.
And we have to multiply by 100. Why? Because 1 meter equals to how many?
100
100 centimeter.
That way. Okay.
100
centimeters.
centimeter.
Okay. Now this table only you have to remember. Okay. That bigger unit to smaller multiply, smaller to bigger divide. And when to take 1000, when to take 100, and when to 10. That is very important. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yes ma'am, it is clear.
And here also you have to remember when to multiply, when to divide, and that also by 60 only, not 100, not 10, not 1000. But here 60 will come. Why? Because 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
In boys class I have finished this also. So here you can see upside it is written hours are given and you have to convert to meter. Minutes means from hour to minute. So is this bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger?
Ma'am, it is bigger to smaller.
It is bigger to smaller because
You have to
our
multiply.
Multiply.
ma'am, we have to multiply it.
Yes.
Yes.
So we have to multiply. So A I am doing, B and C you have to do. So in A, 8 is given. So we have to multiply as I have written. But by which number? 10, 100, 1000?
1000.
Ma'am, 60. 60.
Sorry, 60.
Ma'am, 60. Ma'am, 60.
Okay. Any other answer? Two students told me 60. Mehrin
I
and
also told.
Ma'am, 60.
Aisha.
Muslim.
Ma'am,
Then Inshia,
Yes, ma'am.
Alisha, we have to multiply by which number? Alisha,
60.
yes ma'am.
we have to multiply by which number?
Ma'am, 60.
Okay, Inshia, your answer is 60. Then Alisha, your
Ma'am,
8.
my answer is also 60.
Okay,
My answer is also 60.
okay. Now, what is the shortcut here that we have to directly multiply 8 sixes? Okay, so what is 8 sixes?
48.
8 6 are 48.
8 6 are 48.
Huh. And then you can see this 0 is given, so that 0 we have to put. Okay,
Answer will be 480 minutes.
80 minutes. Okay, so B and C you have to do right now because that is similar. Only 1 minute I'm giving, do fast. In your rough book, fair book. If you are confident and if you are here only in this chapter, then in fair book, otherwise in rough book. And after you finish, tell me.
Ma'am, my work is done, Muskan. Ma'am, my work is done, Marin.
Okay,
Ma'am, my work is done, Aisha.
very good. Now I'm not waiting for any other student because this much time is. So those who want to do B, they can write their name in the chat box. Then Iman will tell me.
Okay, ma'am.
And I got message.
What?
And I got message. Muskan,
Tell.
Muskan.
Okay, Muskan name is first, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You can tell me how what we will do now.
Ma'am, we have to do multiply.
Which
With
will?
11 multiplied by 60.
Yes.
11 6, 11 6 are 66 and we have to put 0. Answer will be 660 minutes.
Very good. Now match your answer and tell me everyone.
Ma'am, my
Ma'am, my answer is right, Muskan.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
And say your name also, please.
Aisha, Sir Mary.
Okay, three student.
Ma'am, second name is Mehreen.
But only three students' answers are right. Only three students have matched and told me that their answer is right. What about other student?
Ma'am,
You are not trying, everyone.
ma'am, we are trying.
Oh, we
In
are trying.
Zoha, Alicia, Kulsum, then I think so Sayada, then Sakina. You are not matching your answer or you are not trying.
Ma'am, my answer is right. Kadri Zoha. Is also right, Iman.
Okay. Alicia, what about you? Alicia, then Sakina, then Sayada. Okay, next name, Iman.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next name is of Mehreen. Muskan after Muskan Mehreen.
Okay, Mehrin, tell me, see what we will do.
Ma'am, in C, 7 multiplied by 60.
Very good. So what will be the answer?
7 6 are 42 and we have to put 0. So
Very
420.
420 minutes. Very good. So match your answer this also and everyone say whose answer.
Ma'am, my answer is right,
Ma'am, my answer is Iman.
Muskan.
Ma'am, my answer is right, Kadri Zoha. And ma'am, my message box is not coming, that's why I'm not writing my name.
Okay, okay.
My answer is right, Iman.
Okay. 4 to 5 student told me. And today say the left again. That's why she's not giving answer or what?
No, ma'am, she is there in meeting.
Who is that?
No, ma'am, because my mic is not opening, no, that's why. Now I trying to then open.
Okay.
And ma'am, my chat box is not available in my mobile.
Oh, okay. Now D I am explaining
Ma'am,
and E F you have to do.
Zena ma'am,
Yes.
I have tried, but then
No, her voice is too. She.
Ma'am,
Alicia.
we can't go on, so I left and then joined.
So everyone, you can see 9 hours and 20 minutes it is written. So it
What,
is
ma'am?
nothing, nothing. So it is like rupees and paise only. I'm giving example of first rupee and paise. Like 3 rupees and 50 paise. So total how many paise is this? Total. Just say your name if you know the answer.
53.
And this
Ma'am, ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
ma'am, can I
marry?
marry? Ma'am, can I marry?
53.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Mehri.
350 rupees. Ma'am, 350 paise.
53.
350 peso.
Mehrin, tell me how.
3 rupees 50
Ma'am,
paise.
ma'am, 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 because it will.
Mute your mic, everyone. Wait a minute. Mute your mic, everyone, that Mehrin can speak.
Ma'am, I want to
Ma'am,
Say Mehrin.
ma'am, because 3 rupees, one rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 3 rupees equal to 300 paise and plus 50 paise.
Very good. So here also that way we have to do. We have to convert 9 hours into minute, and then another minute we have to add. Okay, like this
As
one.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I know D1th answer.
What?
You had explained tomorrow, yesterday only.
Ha. But I said no in boys class I have done this, so you never said that in your class also this is done. So I thought in your class it is not done.
No, ma'am, yesterday you had explained.
Okay.
Answer will
yes, ma'am, you are explaining.
560. Answer will be 560.
Okay, then we are doing next question, but just to remember this thing in your mind, like it is rupees and paise only, that extra minute you have to add. So first we have to convert hours into minute, then add that 20 minutes. Okay?
Zena ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Zena ma'am. Ma'am, I am telling that
Uh,
you can send me the all chapters portion. I have not means मुझे नहीं मिल रहा है.
in the group only I have sent.
मीन्स ये वाला मैथ्स का नहीं, वो पीडीएफ बना के पहले नहीं भेजा. ये एफबी और वो सब आने का है, तो कौन से चैप्टर और वो नहीं लिखा है, तो वो वाली पीडीएफ नहीं मिल रही है.
Syllabus and paper style that.
यस,
Alisha,
आप
I
सेंड
will
कर
send it.
सकते हो. तेरे पास
Someone is
मेरा
saying
नंबर है.
that she will send you. Someone is saying just now.
Ma'am, I
बट उसके
sent
पास
it.
मेरा नंबर नहीं है.
Ma'am, I will
Ma'am,
send.
I have question.
Ma'am,
मैम मेरे पास है अलीशा का
I
नंबर.
will send
एक
to
दिन
Alisha.
हाँ तो
I have number also.
ईमान सेंड कर
मैम
देना.
मेरे पास नंबर है कुलसुम.
હલો ઝૈનબ મેમ,
Huh?
એક 2 મિનિટ માટે ઇન્ટરપ્ટ કરું તમને?
હા બોલો.
હા, મારે ગર્લ્સને છે ને સૂચના આપવાની હતી કે આપણે આ વખતે છે ને પેપરમાં તમને લોકોને વિરોધી અને સમાનાર્થીમાં ઓપ્શન મળશે નહીં, તમારે જાતે જ લખવાના રહેશે. બરાબર છે ગર્લ્સ?
ઓકે મેમ.
સમજાઈ ગયું છે બેટા?
ઓકે
હિન્દી
મેમ.
સબ્જેક્ટમાં
Okay, ma'am.
હિન્દી
ઓકે મેમ.
સબ્જેક્ટમાં બધાને વિરોધી અને સમાનાર્થીમાં કોઈનો ઓપ્શન મળશે નહીં. બરાબર છે, તમારે જાતે જ લખવાનું છે.
ઓકે મેમ.
ઓકે બેટા?
ઓકે મેમ.
થેન્ક
થેન્ક
યુ
યુ મેમ. ઓકે મેમ.
થેન્ક યુ ઝૈનબ મેમ.
मैम आई सेंड इट
मैम,
अलीशा मूसानी.
No,
अरे कुलसुम ईमान सेंड कर देगी, तुझे तकलीफ लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
that also I am only saying that Iman will send. Okay. So now this next question. So here we have to convert minute to hours. So here we means it is bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger.
Smaller to bigger. We have to do division.
Smaller.
Huh. So first one I am doing A 720.
जैनब मैम कुलसुम ने सेंड भी कर दिया.
I am tired of everything. Complaints last year. So you can see B question doesn't have zero, but these A, C, E, D, F all have zero. So in that all the zero question we can do one thing, that we can cancel the zero. Okay, this way we can cut the zero. Not only in B.
Ma'am,
मैम 833.
Okay. Okay. So you can see that we have to divide 72 by 6. 72 by 6. So how we will do? Next
ma'am,
name,
I know.
Iman, next name.
Okay, ma'am.
Who?
Ma'am, after Mariam, it's Aisha's name.
Aisha. Okay. Aisha, tell me how we will divide.
Yes, ma'am. First we will do 6 7s. So
6 7 sir.
no, sorry, ma'am.
In the table of 6 7 is there.
Ma'am, I am telling that my brother is harassing me.
Oh. Next name, Iman.
Ma'am, after that I will give answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's my name only.
So say in the table of 6 7 is there.
No, ma'am, it's not there.
What we will take? How many sir?
Ma'am, in 6 table 7 is not there. So it's
So smaller number we will take, no? Smaller than 10.
yes, but after 7 it's 6. So 6 ones are 6.
Good. Then
And 6 ones are 6.
Iman 7 minus 6.
What, ma'am?
7 minus 6.
Yes, ma'am. 7 minus 6, it's 1.
Then 2 we are taking down. Then
Yes.
12. So 6, how many is that 12?
6 twos are 12.
So answer is 12.
Yes.
And here is 30 divided by 6. So here what we can do? Next name, Iman.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, after me, no one has written name.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I Aisha now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, Muskan has written.
Okay. Aisha, do you want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, in 6 table 13 doesn't come. So less than 13, 12 is there. 6 twos are 12. So we will write 6 twos are 12.
And
And then
another option which I have given, that upside is always R. This upside is also R. This upside is also R.
Captain,
And this downside is minute. And here we have cancelled 0 now, so that 0 we have to put. So 2 hours and 10 minutes. Okay? Is this clear?
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
clear.
Now you can see this B. Then we are finishing. The last B we are doing this. That 132 is given. So that we cannot cancel the 0 because 0 is not there. So directly we have to take the table of 60. And 60 table you can write using the table of 6. 6 is 60. Then 60
6
to the
6 twos are 120.
yes.
120.
120. 3
Then
180.
180.
bus. Okay. Now 132 is there.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am. 132 is
62
not
sub 120.
Yes, ma'am. 6
Ma'am, we
twos
have
are
to take
20.
720.
Then how
2 0 2 minus 0 2.
2 minus
3
0,
minus
2.
2 minus 2 1 and 0.
Ma'am, Mary
Ma'am, answer will be 2 hour 12 minutes.
yes.
Ma'am, Mary and Muskan are speaking together, so we can't listen.
Now I'm repeating. That upside what is left we got now question, that is hour, and downside what is remain now, that is minute. And here a 60 table we can write using the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 that way. 6 threes are 18 that way. Just we have to put 0. And here 132 is given which is not there in the table, so we have to take 120. And that is how many is Iman? 2s are. So 2 I am writing upside. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And this also
Don't
right.
understand also.
Then watch the video again.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you tell that to tell,
Wait.
tell it's
So
8:30.
you can see that it is converting from minute to second. So it is bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger.
Ma'am, it is
Smaller to
bigger to
bigger.
smaller.
Because
Smaller.
Bigger
in
to smaller.
second. Ma'am, it's a bigger to smaller. Minutes it's bigger and seconds are smaller.
Very good.
You have to convert minutes into second. Eh?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to do multiplication.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We have to do multiplication.
Yes. So and we have to multiply this by which number?
60.
Yes. Okay. And this, that is very easy. So that also you have to try at home in homework, and here also that way only. That you have to divide. It is second to minute now.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to divide.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that way only you cut 110 and then use the table of 6.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Then this
Ma'am.
we'll do on Monday. Okay, this is
Yes, ma'am.
question 5.
Ma'am, but Monday is paper, no?
At 8 o'clock, not right now. Means in morning.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.